Hey, everybody! Whether you're a seasoned explorer or planning your very first trip, you've just landed in the perfect place to kick off your next big adventure. Welcome back to the Travel Partner YouTube channel, your go-to source for travel inspiration, expert tips, and unforgettable journeys around the globe. If you love discovering new destinations, you're in the right spot. I'm Sarah, your guide for today, and I'm thrilled to take you on an incredible journey to Seville, a city bursting with vibrant orange trees, passionate flamenco rhythms, and mouth-watering tapas sizzling in cozy restaurants. Seville is a place where history, culture, and flavor come alive at every corner. Are you ready to uncover the 20 essential tips that will help you make the most of your Seville adventure in 2026? Grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive right in to start planning the trip of a lifetime. Let's talk timing. When planning your trip to Seville, choosing the right season can make all the difference in your experience. The city's atmosphere, events, and even the way locals live their daily lives shift dramatically with the seasons. Seville is stunning year-round, but spring is truly magical. Orange blossoms fill the air with a sweet fragrance, and the city bursts into life with vibrant festivals like Semana Santa and Feria de Abril. The weather is just right. Warm, sunny days and cool, comfortable evenings. Locals and visitors alike fill the streets, enjoying outdoor cafes and lively celebrations. If you want to see Seville at its most colorful and festive, spring is the time to come. Fall offers pleasant temperatures and fewer crowds, making it perfect for relaxed sightseeing. The parks are painted with autumn colors, and the city feels calm and inviting. You can wander through historic neighborhoods, enjoy local cuisine, and take in the golden evening light without the hustle and bustle of peak tourist season. Summer, on the other hand, is scorching. Temperatures often soar above 40-degree islands. If you visit then, plan for siestas and seek out shade in the city's many plazas and gardens. The afternoons are quiet as locals escape the heat, but evenings come alive with outdoor dining and music. It's a unique way to experience Seville's rhythm, but be prepared for the intense sun. Winter is mild and peaceful, ideal for a cozy, less touristy vibe. Daytime temperatures are comfortable, and you'll find festive lights and seasonal treats around Christmas. It's a great time to explore museums, sip hot chocolate in charming cafes, and enjoy the city's quieter side. No matter when you visit, Seville has something special to offer. Choose your season wisely to make your Seville experience truly unforgettable, and let the city's unique charm match your travel style. Must-sees. Start with the Royal Alcazar. Fairy tale palace, lush gardens, and stunning tile work. The Seville Cathedral and Giralda Tower offer breathtaking views and Gothic grandeur. Don't miss Plaza de España, part movie set, part playground, and a true city icon. These sites are the heart of Seville. Camera ready. Foodies, rejoice. Seville is a true paradise for anyone who loves to eat, offering a vibrant culinary scene that's as rich in history as it is in flavor. Here, every meal is an opportunity to discover something new and delicious, whether you're a seasoned foodie or just curious about Spanish cuisine. Tapas are an essential part of the Seville experience. Don't miss out on classics like salmorejo, a creamy tomato and bread soup, or espinacas con garbanzos, a hearty dish of spinach and chickpeas that's both comforting and full of flavor. And for those with a sweet tooth, churros with thick, rich chocolate are a must-try treat, perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack as you soak in the city's lively atmosphere. Head to the bustling Mercado de Triana, where you can sample world-famous jamón ibérico, taste unique varieties of local olives, and browse stalls overflowing with fresh produce and regional specialties. Pair your meal with a glass of sherry, a fortified wine that's been produced in Andalusia for centuries, or try Tinto de Verano, a refreshing red wine spritzer that's perfect for hot afternoons. Dining in Seville is more than just eating. It's a celebration of life, where friends and family gather around the table, sharing laughter, stories, and unforgettable flavors under the warm Spanish sun. So, don't leave Seville without sampling its incredible local flavors. Each bite is a memory waiting to be made. Seville is super walkable, but trams, buses, and the metro make exploring easy. Grab a travel card, rent a bike, or even try a Segway tour for fun. However you roam, every corner brings a new discovery. Picking the right neighborhood is key. Santa Cruz puts you in the historic heart, while Triana offers local flair and flamenco. Budget travelers love Alameda. Luxury seekers should check out El Arenal. Wherever you stay, Seville's hospitality shines. A few Spanish words go a long way. Hola, gracias, ¿dónde está? And la cuenta, por favor. Locals appreciate the effort, even if your accent isn't perfect. Smile, say buenos dias, and you'll make friends fast. Respect the siesta. Many places close mid-afternoon, and dinner starts late. Greet with a friendly hola, and a cheek kiss is traditional when meeting. Relax, tip a little, and embrace Seville's laid-back rhythm. Time your visit for Feria de Abril or Semana Santa for unforgettable celebrations. In 2026, expect extra concerts and cultural events citywide. Seville's festivals are pure magic. Don't miss them. Seville is safe, but watch for pickpockets in busy spots. Keep valuables close, stick to well-lit streets, and dial 112 for emergencies. Use common sense and enjoy. Seville welcomes travelers of all ages.
Know you've been a good friend.
Loving these tips? Hit subscribe and ring the bell for more travel guides. Share your Seville questions or stories in the comments. I read them all. Let's keep exploring together. Explore beyond Seville. Cordoba's Mesquita Cotiz's beaches or the white villages like Ronda are all easy day trips. Each destination offers its own magic and is just a train ride away. Expand your adventure with these unforgettable escapes. Shop local at Mercado de la Encarnacion or browse Calle Sierpes for ceramics fans and flamenco shawls. Chat with shopkeepers for the best finds and stories. Shopping here is about connecting with Seville's spirit. Seville comes alive at night. Catch a flamenco show, hop between tapas bars, or dance at rooftop clubs. The city's energy is contagious, and the nights are unforgettable. Experience Seville after dark for memories that last. Save by visiting sites on free days, eating at markets, and using public transport. Stay in hostels or share an Airbnb for great value. The best experiences, like wandering old streets, are free. Free Wi-Fi is everywhere. Hotels, cafes, and public spaces. Need more? Grab a local SIM card or use co-working spaces for fast internet. Download offline maps before you go for easy exploring. Seville is increasingly accessible. Main attractions and public transport are wheelchair-friendly. Check ahead for hotel and restaurant accommodations. With a little planning, everyone can enjoy Seville's magic. Kids will love Maria Luisa Park y La Mágica theme park and carriage rides through the city. The Casa de la Ciencia offers hands-on fun for all ages. Seville is packed with family adventures and memories. Travel green. Choose eco-friendly stays, use public transport, and support local markets. Bring a reusable bottle, avoid single-use plastics, and stick to marked paths. Respect Seville's culture and environment to keep it beautiful. Try rooftop yoga at sunrise, a flamenco dance workshop, or a tapas crawl with a local chef. kayak the Guadalquivir River, or explore hidden gardens for a different view of the city. Seville rewards the curious. Make your own adventure. Thanks for joining me. I hope these tips inspire your Seville adventure in 2026. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Drop your questions or Seville stories in the comments. See you on the next journey.